Hi, this is Nina Simons at Spices of Life, and we're here for roast chicken, parts 1, 2, and 3. We start with roast chicken. So you bring home your beautiful roast chicken. We've cut it up into pieces. We thought, why not serve it with some side dishes? For instance, we have these beautiful asparagus. They've been roasted in a 475-degree oven with a little bit of garlic, olive oil, balsamic, salt, and pepper. And then we thought we'd show you how to roast some cherry tomatoes, which are so easy, but they're really, really lovely. And if they're on the vine, so much the better, whatever, cherry or grape tomatoes. You're going to pierce them with a small paring knife, and then you're going to sprinkle them with about 1.5 tablespoons of the oregano. We're using dried, but it would be lovely if you used fresh. And we're just drizzling a little bit of olive oil on there. And then we have some salt and pepper. So simple. Remember, all the recipes are on Spices of Life, the website. And it's a 400-degree preheated oven. And what you do is you're going to take your tomatoes and bring them into your oven. And then about 30 minutes later, look what you have. Beautiful roasted tomatoes. And finally, we just have some whole wheat couscous with a little bit of chopped fresh parsley, or you could add dill, cilantro, any fresh herb, just to give it a little bit more flavor. So there you have it, roasted chicken part 1 from Spices of Life. Enjoy. How was that? Oh.